Here is another AI token called ChianGPT. So unleash the power of blockchain AI. So with this project, you'll be able to do some other various things with this app. So this coin have been listed on KuCoin exchange. So if you want to buy this, make sure you do your own research and you know what you're about to do. Anything you watch in this video is just for educational purpose. So you'll be able to create smart contracts, ask this AI to ask, to generate, and to audit your smart contracts. So you can ask this GPT AI to answer your question, any relative to blockchain question or crypto, then or crypto, the AI can answer generally and technical questions. And right now, you can create a smart contract and describe the solidity contract you wish to generate, and ChianGPT AI will write it for you. And you have the third option over here, vulnerability and exploits in solidity contract. Then paste the contract and check the audit of this your smart contracts to AI to do the work for you. So this is what this project is all about, and ChangeGTP gets listed on KuCoin World Premium. So right now you'll be able to buy this on KuCoin. This is the price at the recording of this video right now. It's trading at 14 cents. So right now this is just got released yesterday, and you can see over here this price is still trading sideways. So a lot of people have not know more about this watch list 14,000. So this is kind of AI token that it's just been trending and just have market cap of 11,698,753 dollars. So the full diluted market cap right now is 142,119,369 dollars. So right now the 24 hours volume of this project is 45,346,238 dollars. So the market supply of this coin is 1 billion, and the total supply of this coin is 1 billion of this token, and the circulating supply, the self-report circulating supply of this coin is 83,188,923 CGPT coin. So right now is 8% of this token is in circulating. So right now there is more token for this project to unlock. So you have to be careful about this coin in circulating around right now, because with this kind of small token in circulating supply, this coin can move relative up, and when this project start releasing this token into the circulating supply to the market, this can affect this project if there is no more a lot of demand. So this coin can really make maybe 10x or 5x or 2x in short time. So make sure you do your own research. Don't take anything I said in this video as financial advice. I'm not a financial advice. Make sure you contact your financial advice if you need one. And if you are watching to the end of this video, make sure you consider to subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.